In this video, I am going to show you how to use Real Debrid on your Firestick. First, ensure that your Firestick is connected to the internet and powered on. Start by navigating to the app you want to use Real Debrid with, such as a streaming app like Kodi or Cinema HD. Before we proceed, make sure you have a Real Debrid account. If you don't have one, visit the Real Debrid website and sign up for an account. Now, open your streaming app and go to the Settings or Tools section. Look for the option to link or authorize Real Debrid. This process may vary depending on the app you are using. Next, you'll need to obtain your Real Debrid authorization code. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Real Debrid website. Log into your account and navigate to the My Account section. There you should see an option to authorize a new device. Select it, and it will provide you with a unique code. Return to your streaming app on the Firestick and enter the authorization code in the designated field. Once you've entered the code, confirm it, and you should see a message indicating that Real Debrid has been successfully linked. Now you can start using Real Debrid. When you search for content within your streaming app, you should see higher quality streaming links provided by Real Debrid. Enjoy your enhanced streaming experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.